Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will use division to solve simultaneous equations. Sometimes you'll get two simultaneous equations and you can't solve them by adding or subtracting the two equations together. What you'll need to do is divide one equation by the other. So let's look at this example. Population of a town increases by the same percent each year. 2 years' time, the population will be this. 5 years' time, population will be this. We're going to find out how many people currently live in the town. So we know that this is a simultaneous equations question because there are two bits of information, population after 2 years, population after 5 years, and there are also two unknowns. So I'm going to let A be the current number, current population of the town. So R, the other thing I don't know, is the rate of increase. We need to know, is it going up by 2% each year? Is the population increasing by 10% each year? Whatever. So we're going to form two equations. So this is the population, 95,717, after 2 years. So the population after 2 years is A times rate times rate. Of course, I could just write that a lot simpler as A times R squared. Population after 2 years is however many are in the town times the rate squared. It's a 2 here because it's after 2 years. So similarly, the population of 101,575 is equal to number in the town currently times R to the power of 5. Now, if I want to solve for A and R, I can't add together the two equations or subtract them. It won't eliminate one variable. What I can do, however, if I divide one equation by the other, what I can do is get rid of the A's because A divided by A is 1. Now, just to make things easier, I'm going to go this divided by this. So 101,575 divided by 95,717 gives us 1.0612, goes on and on. So A divided by A is just 1. They cancel out. That's why I did it, to eliminate the A's. R to the power of 5 divided by R squared gives me R cubed. So to solve for R, what I do is cube root both sides. So the cube root of 1.0612 blah, blah, blah is about 1.02. So what that means is the population of the town is increasing by about 2% each year. So I'm going to substitute that back into either equation, doesn't matter. But if I substitute it into this equation at the top, I would get A, the original population of the town is 95,717 divided by R to the power of 2. And the answer I get is approximately 92,000. That is the original population of the town. The population now before it increases by 2% each year. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.